Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on NXOI. Before I get started, would like to note to please check my IRP disclaimer. With that being said, this chart has been getting quite a bit of chatter and talk about it the past couple weeks. One reason being it produced the always popular and pretty famous double bottom chart pattern. So let me mark this green for support, and this will also be coming into play later in the chart. But you can see here this level right down here around the 1 penny level. So besides being psychological, but previously back here it came down here, hovered around it, and flirted with this level before this big bounce. And then once again here you can come and see that the price came down, and then good little example here, got the doji candle right at the support, and then the double bottom took effect. This day right here was just a monstrous day, so a nice bounce from this double bottom once again. Now, looking at where the chart is right now, the first thing that really pops out is how our short-term moving average, that blue line right there, which is a 10-day simple moving average, currently valued at 0.017, has been holding as support. The price got above it, couldn't quite maintain above this purple line here, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Had this pretty nasty pullback here, but the past 2 days have recovered very well from such a brutal-looking day like this. So these past 2 days have been quite bullish, based solely on the fact that after this, I don't want to say disastrous day, but this pretty ugly day here, not only were the bulls able to step in, but it's been putting in actually higher lows each day since then. So that's pretty impressive, from just that perspective alone in terms of where the lows have been. So going forward, the ideal level of support, meaning ideally we want to see this level hold, is going to be at 0.017, like I said, that 10-day simple moving average. The next level of support that we have below us is right here, and this level's at the 0.015. Let's try that again. There we go. So this level will be another area of support. Once again, an ideal one, but the key must hold one goes back to our double bottom area down here at a penny. As I already went over, I'm not going to repeat myself. It's had very evident and clear history the past few months. So 0.01 is definitely going to be the must-hold level, but the ideal levels would be, best case scenario 0.017. If not that, then 0.015 would still have the chart look really bullish. Because remember, let's think about it. If the price can hold above here while it hovers around before heading back up, this set of lows would be higher than this set, and then when we connect them, that would give us the ability to draw that uptrend line. Now, in terms of resistance levels, like I had already mentioned earlier in the video, the 50-day is going to be the initial key level of resistance to get through, which is valued at 0.022 right now. But after that, things really start to thin out. There is going to be a level right around here at 0.03, we'll call it. So let me change this to red just so everybody knows what they're looking at. But then after 0.03, really nothing until there might be a little speed bump of resistance here, but after that, as you can see looking back on the chart, things really clear out. So the 0.03 area is going to be the key level of resistance before the chart really enters into the territory of being able to move pretty fast. And like I just pointed out, this right here is a prime example. Got above this 0.03 area and then raced up to a high of 0.036 pretty quickly. So definitely the area to keep your eye on in terms of resistance levels. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, once more, this was NXOI. Thanks for listening.